What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to install and paint your steering dampener parts on your 010X scooter. So I'm going to be taking off my steering dampener and I'm actually going to be painting it and reinstalling it, and I'm going to take you guys through that process. So there are steering dampeners that come black, such as the K-Wheels version. That's just not the one I got. And for this entire installation process, I'm using the multi-tool that came with the scooter. Usually when you buy these type of scooters, they come with multi-tools so that you can fix roughly 95% of all things. Maybe you can't take off the wheel with it, but most things you can do with it, so it's pretty good. So now that we removed the deck portion of the steering damper, we can move to the front of the scooter where the suspension arm meets the neck, and we're going to go ahead and remove those screws. This one has like a lock washer because I lost the original washer that came with it during the first installation. The thing you see actually clamped onto my steering damper is a kind of like a flashlight mount for a bike, but I use it to hold the tripod for my phone so I can get those really low angles. And just like that, both major parts of the steering damper is off. Now that I have my steering dampener off, I have to find somewhere to paint it. But I'm just gonna use a box, so I gotta go clear out a box first. Now that we have the box clear, we can go ahead and put the parts in, set them up, put a few coats on, and hopefully I don't mess this up. But spoiler, since this is me in the future, I do mess it up. But that's a part of learning. That's a part of doing it your first time. And you know, every upgrade modification that you do isn't going to be perfect your first time around. Okay, so now we are getting into the painting part, and I just use a basic nail polish remover to wipe the surface clean of the parts so that the paint can adhere to the surface better. You can use regular alcohol like isopropyl alcohol or anything like that, anything to get a surface nice and clean. And for the paint, I just had it lying around. It's like a general purpose flat black paint. You don't have to go super automotive, super high-end spray paint. I think it's a little overkill for this project, but hey, your results might turn out better. As you see here, I start to feather on the coats, just making sure that none of the coats are too heavy. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes and we're gonna hit another coat. Got one more coat to go. Alright, so we're gonna try to flip these over and hopefully I don't mess them up, because that would suck. looks like when I went to go flip it over, I nicked it. Right there. Right there. I nicked it. Okay, so yeah, don't be impatient like me. I just ruined the paint job on top of it because I couldn't wait. And also, I did down there. Look at that. Patience. Just let it dry. I'm trying to rush. Never worked out for me. So, guess we're gonna hit it with a few more coats. Try to mask it, but yeah, best thing to do is just wait. So I'm gonna hit it with probably a heavy coat and then just let it sit. Alright, so we're gonna let that dry. I should probably get my phone out of here. We're gonna go ahead and install them back on the 010X. Before we go ahead and put the parts back on, let me just go ahead and let you know that after I finished painting the parts, me and my girlfriend went on a weekend vacation down to Atlantic City before the weather got too cold. It was a really good time actually. We had a very nice view from our bedroom window. We were staying at the Golden Nugget Hotel, Resort, Casino, Marina. And with that being said, I knew the first thing that I had to do when I get back was go get some Loctite from the store. And that's what I went to go do. So I took a quick trip to AutoZone, which is about 5 to 10 minutes away from my house, to go pick up some Loctite or thread locker, depending on which brand you actually use. I went with the Permatex thread locker. It was a hybrid, so it was between red and blue, which is high strength like the permanent thread locker, but it's also removable like the non-permanent thread locker. And you're going to be able to see how it looks right here. Yeah, so while I was on vacation, the bolts for the steering damper actually were coming loose, and I had to tighten them almost after every ride because there was some play in the steering. And when I checked, it was just the bolts were coming out. So definitely recommend putting this on so you don't have to retighten or worry about maintenance every time you're going out for a ride. And now we're going to go ahead and install the parts back on to the 010X.
Oh my god. Yeah. They can't even see what I'm doing in the camera.
Alright, so now that we have the thread locker on all the bolts, we can go ahead and install the parts back onto the board. I'm not going to be doing a whole bunch of commentary on this part because it's pretty much self-explanatory, and also you can follow along on the video. So, hope you guys enjoy.
It's like the guy?
Which is crazy because I guess that's a common reason, I guess.
Yeah, it's the new thing.
And which is crazy to me. But the plot twist was that guess who she wanted to marry?
It's the new thing.
Guess who she wanted to marry? And why she killed her boyfriend?
I just know it's the new thing to do now.
She killed her boyfriend to marry her biological father.
Oh.
And according to the thingy, the sister is also an accomplice.
Oh my god.
Isn't that wild, yo?
This cannot be. It's all about who you want to be in life. Right, babe? is that it's all about who you want to be in life. Huh? It's all about who you want to be in life.
I can put a sack on. I don't really lie on. I just go and say, whoa.
Huh? Huh? That's how Beyonce said it, right? Shut the fuck up. You're sick of what? You're sick of what?
All these people put it inside of me.
That's how you feel, dude?
I'm not saying no bullshit. Sick of it.
D. You heard about that new store that's opening up, babe? You want me to tell you about it? Huh? I don't know. I just want to see if you was down to listen. Glad to know, dude. Glad to know I really got, somebody that's it's fucking there for me. I want you to care for me. I want you to care for me. I want you to care for me. Gotta make it jump, gotta make it jump, gotta make it jump, loosen it again. Aren't I?
Fucking up.
Babe, what is with the hostility towards me? Who is it towards? Like you hit the motherfucking Arnold's. Like I knows.
Yeah?
Shut your mouth. You need to leave. Hell, I don't get no respect. She said you gotta get your respect to get it. Something like that. Ain't that right, babe? They don't love me no more. She told me to pack my bag,
Pack your shit.
hit the road.
So yeah, that was the installation, well, the painting and installation of the steering dampener on my 010X. Maybe you just got a kick out of the banter between me and my girlfriend. Whatever it is, stay tuned. I got a lot planned. I have a lot in the works already. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.